Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to use Exness Trading App. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open the Exness app and I will choose, for example, this demo account, the same thing with real accounts. Okay, so click on trade. And as you can see here, this is the Exness chart. Now, the first thing I recommend you to do is go to this gear icon here at the top right, click on it. Go to chart, click on Exness and choose trading view. Now, if we go back, you will see the trading view chart. Okay, this is the first step you have to do. Now, as you can see, we have here some tools. We have here the time frame. We have here buy and sell. We have here the time zone, and we have here the price. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, you want to add an indicator. Click on indicators here, and you have to type the indicator you want. Let's say, for example, moving average. For example, this one, click on it, and you will see your moving average here. If you want to change it, click on it, click on the gear, and go to length. Let's change it, for example, to 20. And we have here style. Let's change the color, for example, to, let's say, green, and the thickness to this one. Click on OK. So this is our indicator or our moving average. If you want to remove this indicator or moving average, click on it and click on trash. The same thing works with all the indicators. Okay. Now, if you want to add a Fibonacci, click on this one and choose Fibonacci retracement. And now you can add your Fibonacci. Let's click one time and drag it like this. As you can see, this is our Fibonacci. If you want to make changes to it, make sure you click on it and click on the gear icon. Now we have here the levels. You can remove some levels and add some levels. So I will remove, for example, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. Now let's move it here. Now let's remove this one. As you can see, that level has been removed. If you want to add another one, so I will click here, for example, and I will change this one to, let's say, 10%. So 0.1. Click on OK. And as you can see, this is that level. If you want to remove a level, click on the gear icon and uncheck it like this and click on OK. So, okay. So this is for the Fibonacci. Now click on it and click on the trash. Now let's say, for example, you want to add some text. For example, click on it here and click on text. And you can type whatever you want, as you can see. If you want to remove it, just click on the trash. Now, the most important thing is buy and sell. So now let's say I want to sell, click on sell here. And here you have to add your volume, how many lots you want to sell. So click on them and you can change to whatever you want. So let's say one lot and scroll down a little bit here and you will see market. This is market order, limit order, or stop order. So we have here the take profit and the stop loss, as you can see. So if you want to sell, for example, your stop loss must be higher and your take profit must be lower. So my take profit will be, for example, 3,682. So 3,682. 82, like this. And my stop loss should be, for example, 3,700. Just for example, for you, you have to do your analysis, 700, like this. And now click on confirm sell one lot. And as you can see here, this is our position. Go to open here, click on it, and you will see your order, as you can see. Now, as you can see, this is our stop loss, and this is our take profit. If you want to adjust them, just click on it like this, and you can modify it. Okay, this now I'm modifying my stop loss. The same thing with the take profit. Just click on it, and you can modify it. Now, click on confirm after you modify it. And if you want to close your position, click on this one, like this. Click on confirm. The same thing with the buy order, okay? Now, let's say you want to add a limit order. So all you have to do is click on buy, for example. Choose how many lots you want. So I will keep it on one. Click on limit. And now you have to add the price where you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy on this price, 3,686. So all you have to do is modify it here, 3,686. We have here the volume, the take profit, the same thing. Now if I buy here, so my take profit will be, for example, here 3,694 in 94, like this, and my stop loss will be here 3,680. Okay, so 3,680. After that, click on confirm buy lot. And now, as you can see, this is our buy limit, this is our take profit, and this is our stop loss here. If you want to cancel this pending order, click on it like this and click on confirm. And now that pending order has been canceled. Also, if you want to change the time frame, click on 5 minutes here and you can change it to whatever you want. For example, like this, as you can see. And that's it. This is how you can use Exness Trading app. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.